Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be another Swatches and First Impressions video, the last one of these videos for this collection. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing and swatching the liquid lipsticks in the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Cosmetics collection. So as you can see right here, there are 6 different liquid lipsticks that they came out with, and then they also came out with a lip balm and a lip gloss, which I will also be touching on in this video. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So if you would like to see all of the swatches of these lipsticks and hear some of my first impression thoughts for these products, then just keep on watching. So first, to start with the packaging, I absolutely love it. Very similar to the 2 palettes that I already did review videos on, and very similar to these packagings that I already mentioned with the palette packaging, is I'm just drawn to this packaging. I just feel like it's so sleek and different. It's very good quality. It is basic Jeffree Star Cosmetics packaging, especially when it comes to the lip balm with the bullet packaging and then the packaging for the liquid lipsticks. So it's very basic, but it is good quality. So as you can see, each of the lip products come in this black cardboard packaging with some of the silver accents of the logos and other writing on them. And then when you actually open up these liquid lipsticks, the inside packaging, or the packaging of the handle, is kind of like a silvery chrome color. And then of course it has Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo around the handle, and then it also says Shane Dawson's name around the base. And then, of course, it also says Jeffree Star Cosmetics on the bottle of the liquid lips. So, again, basic Jeffree Star Cosmetics packaging, but I do love how they included Shane Dawson's name around the base of the handle. And just that, again, the sleek, silvery chrome color that they added to the handle, I think is really nice and unique. It's something that Jeffree Star has not done before. So real quick, here are all 6 of the different colors of the liquid lipsticks that come in this collection, and just looking at them right off the bat in the bottles, I was actually really surprised with the colors that Shane went with. I don't really know what I was expecting him to go with, so maybe my thinking doesn't really make any sense by how surprised I am by these colors, but yeah, I was just generally shocked with the shimmers and the bright pink, or a few bright pinks I should say. And just by looking at them, I am already a little disappointed that they don't have more of a matte neutral color. I understand that, matte neutral colors can definitely be overdone, but I think when you're coming out with a whole collection of lipsticks, I think it is smart to go with at least one more matte neutral lipstick, because I just feel like those are really popular and they're wearable for pretty much everyone. Compared to a hot pink, that's not going to be the most wearable lipstick for everyone. So that's something I am a little disappointed in. That's something that I would like to see added in this collection. But yeah, that's just by looking at these liquid lipsticks. As far as the lip gloss and the lip balm, I have used both of those already before filming this video, and I have to say I absolutely love the lip balm. I love the packaging of it, how they went with that bullet lipstick packaging that Jeffree Star does for all of his other just basic lipsticks. So I love the packaging of it. It's just so small and compact, very easy to keep in your purse and to travel around with you. And the lip balm itself, it has a nice root beer scent to it, and it's very moisturizing. So I absolutely love the lip balm. When it comes to the gloss, I'm not a huge gloss wearer, but I do like this gloss, how it's just a basic clear gloss that you could really wear in any way. You can wear it on its own, you can top it over any lipstick that you want. So I absolutely love that they went with just a basic clear gloss. And I also do like this gloss because it does have that nice root beer smell to it, which I'm pretty sure all of the lipsticks do, which is just great. It goes with Shane so well. But not only the scent, just the feel of it on your lips, it doesn't feel drying. It's very moisturizing and it's not sticky. And along with it not being sticky, it doesn't run, if that makes any sense. Have you guys ever tried like lip glosses where they're like so liquidy, where they just kind of like run all over and kind of like on the outside linings of your lips? This lip gloss doesn't do that, but it's also not sticky. I feel like it's just kind of like the perfect formula for a lip gloss. So even though I'm not a huge fan of the lip gloss, and if it didn't come in the whole bundle that I bought from when this collection came out, I probably wouldn't have purchased it on its own, but I am pleasantly surprised by the lip gloss. And now for the fun part, let's go ahead and get to swatching these lipsticks on our lips and on our arm. So the first lipstick that we are going to be swatching is in the name I Gotta Go, and this is a shimmery bronze metallic color. I did find this color to be slightly patchy, so you might want to wear a lip liner underneath this lipstick, but I do think it is a beautiful color for being a very like shimmery metallic lipstick. And it is on more the neutral side. So even though I'm not a huge fan of like shimmery metallic lipsticks, I'm still glad that they went with more of a neutral color, so it does make it a little bit more wearable. The next color is in the name Shane. This is one of my favorite lipsticks from this collection, and I already have worn it out, so I'll definitely give my thoughts on this lipstick from wearing it for a whole night out. And I do love this color because it's very pretty, very unique. It's almost like an army green shimmery metallic color. It is slightly patchy, but I would say it is pretty pigmented. It did last the whole night when I did wear it out. I'm pretty sure when I did wear it out for that one night, I didn't wear a lip liner underneath it, so for applying a couple coats, it kind of fixed the patchiness a little bit, and it did last throughout the night of eating and drinking. So I was pleasantly surprised by that, and this is definitely my favorite shimmer color in this collection. The next lipstick is in the shade Ryland, and this is a shimmery light pink, almost metallic color. And kind of similar with I Gotta Go, this is a patchy color, but I did find it to be very pretty. The next lipstick is in the shade Oh My God, and this is a matte light Barbie pink. It reminds me of Nicki Minaj, so I kind of call it like a Nicki Minaj pink. I don't know what it is, but I am just so drawn to these type of lipstick colors. Like, I just love this light pink color. It's one of my favorites, but it definitely is not a wearable lipstick, at least not for me. It just makes my teeth look so yellow. And I'm not gonna say that I have the whitest teeth in the world by itself because I love coffee. So I'm sure the coffee is more to blame for my yellow teeth than this lipstick. But yeah, just because of how light of a pink color this is, next to my teeth, it definitely makes them look way more yellow. So yeah, even though I love these colors of lipsticks, and even this lipstick, I love the color of it. It is pretty pigmented, slightly patchy, so you might need to wear like a couple coats with it or just wear a lip liner underneath it. Even though I love it, it really is not a lipstick that I reach for the most often. Next, we have the liquid lipstick in the name Jeffree What the Fuck, and this is a matte dark pink, kind of like a cooler undertoned lipstick. And this lipstick I absolutely love. It's such a beautiful but also unique color. I don't know what it is about this lipstick, but I'm just so drawn to how like unique it is. I think maybe it's because it does have like some cooler undertones to it. Maybe that's what makes it so unique, but I just love this color. It's so beautiful and it's so pigmented. Definitely another one of my favorites in this collection. And last but not least, we have the lipstick in the shade Are You Filming? And this is a matte reddish orange color. And even though I feel like this is more of like a reddish orange, or maybe it has some like orange undertones to it, I feel like this is just a perfect red. You can never go wrong with having a red in your collection. And this is a pretty pigmented color, so definitely a great red to go with for your collection. Alright, and here are all of these swatches next to each other, so now let's go ahead and get into my first impressions, thoughts, and final thoughts for this video. So for my thoughts for these liquid lipsticks, to kind of go back to the packaging, I love the black and silver next to each other. It just looks so like beautiful and sleek and mysterious, so I think it really goes well with the entire collection. And even though it is basic Jeffree Star Cosmetics packaging, it's good quality, so you can never go wrong with their packaging. So definitely 5 out of 5 stars for the packaging. As for all of the lip products themselves, like I said, they all have a smell of root beer, which isn't too overpowering. It doesn't smell bad. I know it's really going to depend on the person. You know, some people are really not a fan of smells. Some people don't care. Some people love them. I'm kind of more of the person, like, I don't really care what a liquid lipstick smells like. I've never really had it where when I'm wearing a lip product, I can smell it. I know some people are like that, but I'm just not really like that, so the smell doesn't really bother me. I do think it smells good. It's not too overpowering, and I think it's perfect for Shane's collection, but I know there are people out there that are sensitive to smell, so that's just something to keep in mind. As for the colors, I was very surprised with the colors that Shane chose for this collection. Like I said, I wasn't really know what I was expecting him to come out with, but I definitely was shocked, but in a good way. By the colors, by the names that he chose, the packaging, just everything. And for this being the first collection or anything makeup related that Shane has ever done or come out with, I'm very, very surprised by how well he did with this collection. And just overall, with the lip products, the eye products, and all of the other accessories that they came out with, Shane did a fabulous job. The only thing that I would change about this lipstick collection is I would definitely like to see more matte neutral colors in this collection, or maybe not as much like shimmery colors. Like I said, there are 6 different liquid lipsticks that they came out with, and 3 of the liquid lipsticks are more of those more of those shimmery metallic shades, and those are just not really the colors that I reach for. I think it's more because they're more out of my comfort zone. I don't feel as comfortable wearing shimmery metallic lipsticks, so maybe this is a collection that I could definitely use to get out of my comfort zone. But yeah, those are definitely not shades I would reach for the most often, so if anything, I would definitely like them to see or to add more matte neutral shades into this collection. But as for the liquid lipsticks themselves, they're pretty good quality. They don't feel as drying. They're pretty pigmented. Some of them I found to be a bit patchy, but by applying another coat or even doing a lip liner underneath them, that fixes the patchiness right up, so that's really not a big deal. And overall, they're beautiful colors, they're pigmented, so you can never really go wrong. I can't really say anything else bad about any of these lip products. So overall, as this whole lipstick collection as a whole, including the lip gloss and the lip balm, I would recommend it to you guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this Swatches and First Impressions video on the liquid lipstick or lips products collections from the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Cosmetics collection. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you have not seen my other Swatches and First Impressions videos on some of the other products that came in this collection, including the Conspiracy eyeshadow palette and the Mini Controversy eyeshadow palette, I will link those down in the description box down below, so please make sure to go ahead and check those out. And of course, definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and check out my Everything Makeup playlist here on my channel to see more makeup related videos, including Get Ready With Me's using some of these products from this collection. If they are not already up on my channel, they will be coming very, very soon, so definitely make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm gonna get going for now, but I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone.